Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Lloyd AC CL error code. So guys, CL on Lloyd's AC stands for clean. So it is a reminder to clean the air filter, and it is a maintenance alert, not a fault. So first, just simply switch off the unit and cut the power from the main switch or breaker. And after that, just simply open the front panel of the indoor unit and remove the air filters and rinse them under running water and let them dry completely before reinstalling. And after that, you can just simply turn the AC back on and press on the remote filter or timer button for 3 to 5 seconds to clear the CL code. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.